hear it.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Go! Woo! Here comes the dirt! Holy shit! Damn door, get out of my way! Couldn't purposely let go!
Come back.
Do the cul-de-sac, dude. Do the cul-de-sac, cul-de-sac. Damn it, Derek, quit throwing me around. I'm missing the shit. I missed it again. Derek, let me out of the truck and pull him around the cul-de-sac again. I missed it again because I fell.
You should let go, please.
Oh, he purposely let go.
You should let go, please.
He purposely let go. I can't shut this one.
You
You have to shut this one.
Yeah.
Oh. Get back on.
Hold on, my face kind of hurts.
I'm coming.
It's
the fun part. The car's that great when the big snow pile's in the middle. It's like we planned it there.
Got bad slush right there. Yeah, I couldn't see a damn thing. I just gave up.
He fucking let go.
Alright, we're gonna do a grand finale. I'm gonna take a right turn and we're gonna kick in this hill into the yard.
Okay.
Alright?
Grand
You can
finale,
pause it
baby.
now. I'm gonna go turn around though.
Crazy motherfuckers.
Yep. Daredevil. We should probably put like a daring song, like.
The song I picked